Dear students, in this video, you are going to learn about multiplication of fractions through an activity. First, let us multiply fraction by a whole number. First example is multiply 2 and 1 by 3. 2 is a whole number, 1 by 3 is a fraction. See here, I told you multiplication means it is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. So multiplying 1 by 3 by 2 means adding 1 by 3 2 times. Add 1 by 3 2 times. Now we have to take 1 by 3 2 times. Now add this. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2 means we are adding 1 by 3 2 times. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now I added. How to represent this? This is 2 out of 3 parts, that is 2 by 3. So 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Now take another example. Multiply 3 by 1 by 4. Multiply 3 and 1 by 4 means we have to add 1 by 4. How many times? 3 times. Now we have to take 1 by 4 3 times. It looks like this. Now add this. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. See another example. Two into 2 by 6 means we have to add 2 by 6 2 times. 2 by 6 2 by 6. Now add them together. That is 4 by 6. 1 by 6 4 times means 4 by 6. So 2 by 6 into 2 is equal to 4 by 6. See the next example. 3 into 3 by 8. Now you have to take 3 by 8. How many times? 3 times. Three by 8. 3 by 8. Now 2 times over. Then again 3 by 8. You have to keep one more 3 by 8 there. one more 1 by 8. So 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8. Add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is equal to 9 by 8. So 3 into 3 by 8 is equal to 9 by 8. Now how to multiply without using multiplication fraction strips? See, 3 into 3 by 8 means whole number you have to multiply to the numerator. 3 into 3, 9. Denominator write as it is 8. 4 into 5 by 6. 4 should be multiplied to the numerator. 20 by 6. Now, while multiplying whole number and fraction, whole number should be multiplied to the numerator. 3 sevens are 21 by 8. 9 by 4 into 5. Multiply 5 to the numerator. 45 by 4. 3 into 1 and half. 3 into convert into improper. 2 ones are plus 1. 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 3. That is 9 by 2. So while multiplying whole number and a fraction, multiply whole number to the numerator. Keep the denominator as it is. Now let us multiply fraction by a fraction. Here we are using multiplication as an operator of. We are using multiplication as of. Now half into 1 by 3 means half of, multiplication means of 1 by 3. Half into 1 by 3 means half of 1 by 3. We have to take 1 by 3, then divide 1 by 3 into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. Divide 1 by 3 into 2 equal parts. Then numerator is 1. So take 1 part. Half of 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Divide 1 by 3 into 2 parts. Then take 1 part. So half of 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Second one. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. This is half, 1 by 4 of half. 1 by 4 of 1 by 2. So what we have to take? We have to take half. Then we have to divide 1 by 2 into how many parts? 4 parts. Because we have to take 1 part out of 4 parts. Half of 1 by 4 means we have to divide half into 4 equal parts. Then we have to take 1 part, because numerator is 1. 1 by 4 of half means divide half into 4 parts, then take 1 part, that is 1 by 8. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. Third one. Multiply 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. Multiply 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. That means 2 by 3 of 1 by 2. So we have to take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 should be divided into 3 equal parts. Then we have to take how many parts? 2 parts. Take 2 parts. This is represented as 2 by 6. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 is 2 by 6. We can simplify 2 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now multiply 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. That means 2 by 3 of 2 by 4. We have to take 2 by 4. Then we have to divide 2 by 4 into 3 parts. By taking 1 by 12, it's not possible. It becomes 6 parts. So I have to take 1 by 6 so that I can divide 2 by 4 into 3 equal parts. Now 2 by 4 is divided into 3 equal parts. 2 by 4 is divided into 3 equal parts. Now we have to take how many parts? 2 parts. Take 2 parts. That is represented as 2 by 6. 2 by 3 into 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 6. This is how we multiply fraction with the fraction. See here, while multiplying fraction with fraction, 1 into 1, 1, 2 3s are 6. 1 into 1, 1, 4 2s are 8. 2 into 1, 2, 3 2s are 6. 2 into 2, 4, 3 4s are 12. 4 1s, 2 2s are 2 6 are. That is equal to 2 by 6. So while multiplying fractions, multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So while multiplying fractions, multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Multiplication of fractions is very easy. Multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Now 5 by 6 into 3 by 2. Multiply numerator into numerator. 5 3s are 15, 6 2s are 12. Then simplify. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. That is 5 by 4. Second one. Multiply 1 by 2 into 5 by 4. Convert into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 into 5 by 4. 3 5s are 15. 2 4s are 8. Third one. 2 1 by 3 into 3 2 by 5. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 by 5. 7 7s are 49. 4 remain, 7 1s are 7 11. 119 by 15.